Oh, you're not starting it now?
No, I'll do it now.
Yeah. I'll get a video started anyway, I guess. Looks a little nippy out. Well, good lord. Oh, wow. So she's a 4-stroke, eh?
Yeah. And 250.
250? Electric start.
Electric starts right here.
Oh, yeah. How's it feel to have one after how many years?
Felt different, but it's definitely a lot more fun.
Do you miss your 2-stroke, or?
Yeah, but they have their everything has their issues, but I mean, for whatever I'm using it for, I don't really need a 2-stroke.
I mean, just to drive around. Fuck, I want to try this out one day. For
Fucking
oh, yeah. Unzoom it out. Oh, is that brand new?
Like newer, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty decent, and the front one's good. And a little dirty from yesterday because we were driving in fucking Farmers Road and the bike was getting splashed up on my tires. But
Oh, wow. Oh, there's the miles.
I'm gonna do an oil change on it. I'm gonna buy one this.
I already did half part of your video, so I want to finish the rest of it. So cold start, eh? Is there a battery in this thing? No?
Yeah, but I kick-started over.
Just to see? Oh yeah, the gas switch, eh?
Right? Because it needs to make it.
But you don't use, you probably use electric start eventually.
You don't screw it in your pocket.
She cold. Oh yeah. Oh, the light comes on too. Look at that. Fucking loud enough for a 4-stroke. Oh, fucking you feel the blow. Fucking loud enough for a 4-stroke. Where's the choke on that? Is that what you were touching? Fucking hard to get to, eh? No? Oh, it doesn't sound as loud now. It's just whenever you have it on choke. Fuck, pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. Fuck, loud enough. Why don't you put an aftermarket exhaust in yours? Make it loud. Yeah, no, I wouldn't do that to a little bike like that. Straight pipe it. Oh, there's the kickstand. I was always wondering where that kickstand is. Not bad. There you
You
go.
want to be a mechanic there, you gotta toughen up. Here's a rag. Watch it, make sure the plastic's on there.
Yeah, it's all good.
Can you see if there's any shavings on the plug?
No, I looked. There was nothing. It was still gold.
Let me see it and then clean the head and make sure it's not stripped. Okay, there's your.
She black.
Those get to be a pain. They get leaking. That should black enough.
That's what I said.
But anyways, sometimes you gotta. Your gets around to make sure you clean it up and clean the head so they don't get slippy. Okay.
It's filter.
Here, let's leave that out for a minute. Oh, you're going to take out the other one? Okay, now put your, when you loosen it, put the, oh yeah, because you don't want all the oil to come out. The oil come out there too.
I'm not fully taking it off.
Okay, so now put your plug, but leave it drip for a minute.
I'm just gonna let it drip too.
Yeah, let it drip so it slows the dripping down.
Yeah, that rag?
Is that right?
Need it, rag.
Here.
Alright, time for the oil filter.
Watch. Did you start it up yet?
Do. I'm gonna fire this.
Oh,
Little putt.
How simple can that be?
and then not even a choke.
Yeah. It's not even that cold. You don't really need it. Oh, there you go. There's
That's
the
why
oil.
it's around the bush. You can reach the bar length with it.
You'd be able to start that in with the clutch, right?
There's no clutch on that.
Well, when you change
That is clutch. You have to start
Okay,
that
make
with
sure
the
you
clutch
know
though.
which way does it go on, Liam?
So the spring goes in here.
Yeah.
Take it for a spin, Jim.
You gotta make sure you put it on the wrong way.
that one there's got a clutch.
Take it for a spin and take it to Eleanor and tell her what you bought.
Yeah, right.
Tell Eleanor you bought a putt.
Oh, fuck, it fell off. I don't even know which way
You working today?